My daughter gave me instructions this morning, very stern instructions. Dad, would you please make me some buffalo chicken dip today? And that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is John Woods with All Things Food, and we're going to go right to the kitchen. We're going to get all of our sauces together, our ingredients, and we're going to make the very best appetizer dip you've ever had in your life. So let's go. Buffalo chicken dip is one of my all-time favorite appetizers. You can eat it year-round, tailgating, I don't care, New Year's, whenever you want to have it. It's really, really great. So what I'm going to do, we're going to heat up our skillet. I'm going to throw a little bit of butter in there. You can do 100 different things with this recipe. I'm just giving you the basis to start, and then you do what you want to from there. That's the great thing about cooking. So that's going to be hot enough. We're going to start sauteing these a little bit. We're not gonna brown these. We just want to get them a little tender. It looks like my onions are tender. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my chicken in here just for the heck of it. Kind of get it all mixed in with that. I'm gonna let that cook just a minute and let some of that water evaporate out of that chicken. Now the rest of these ingredients are optional. Again, here's a little bit of granulated garlic. I'll throw in there. Tell you what I like to do sometimes, put red pepper flakes in it just to give it a little more kick. Onion powder, get all that stirred in. Now the good stuff, this is the moment of truth over here, is the sauce that we're going to put into it. So we have a choice, Frank's hot sauce or Sweet Baby Ray. Man, I'm good for both of them. I love both of them. And I'm going to go ahead and put the blue cheese in because I need this cup here. Let's go with the traditional Frank's here. I'm going to put in about a half a cup of that. I can always come back and put more. Can't take it out once I put it in. Then I'm going to put in about a half a cup of ranch dressing. We'll come back and adjust if we need to. Half a cup of ranch. I'm going to get all that mixed in real good and get it nice and hot before I add my cheese. So over here I have a big block of cream cheese. Philadelphia cream cheese, and each one of those marks there represents a pound. I went ahead and marked it off so we'd know exactly what we're dealing with. So that's a pound right there, 16 ounces. I'm going to go ahead and cut that, and then I'm going to try to cut it down into some smaller, manageable pieces. I'm going to melt that down. Notice I have celery here. You can't have anything buffalo without celery, and of course the chips are going to go with it. When we finish cooking this, we have a couple options. We can put it in the oven in this skillet, which is perfectly fine. That's probably what I would do most of the time. Sometimes I'll take some of my shredded cheddar cheese and actually work into this. And we may try a little bit here, but we're so full we're not going to do a lot. So I think we're good. I'm going to do a little flavor test on this. Flavor, you know, we test everything. I'm going to check this out and see if we need anything. I think that's spot on. You can eat it just like this right out of the skillet or put it in the oven. Whichever way you want to do it, it's all perfectly fine. So there you have it. That was so simple. I don't know how long it took, but it was just a few minutes. And I think you're going to love this recipe. I want you to try it. Comment in the section below. But like this video, hit that little like button down there. Share it with some of your friends that are wanting to cook a great appetizer, and then invite you over to enjoy it. But if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Remember, above everything else, if you learned anything today, love to cook, but always cook to love. I'll see you soon.